Naomi, he in there right now trying to make you laugh. You a good boy? You a good boy? You a good boy?
It's funny that they took Viola Davis voice.
Another episode of Roast Gold. I'm your host, Kayne. This is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Welcome on.
Right now we're at a culture festival at the Midnight Nasher Museum in Dallas, Texas. As we're enjoying, it got a bit loud, so we had to migrate locations. But nonetheless, let's move on to our hot topics.
Starting off with our first hot topic. So, we all know the debacle about Wendy Williams and her show. We all know that Sherri Shepherd has been hosting the show lately, and they have a brand new show called Sherri that aired on September 17th.
Save the date, because Sherri's coming to daytime. September 12th, it's Sherri.
But Wendy wasn't liking this, so Wendy came down to the studio and they both had a little bit of a debacle. The crew broke the pink chair and they said that they're not having Wendy back because Sherri's team said that they already signed contracts for her to have the show. What are your thoughts on that?
Wendy Williams is out.
They ran her out.
She has been replaced. We all know that Wendy Williams was having a few problems not too long ago with drug use and different things, but now Sherri has taken it over.
Also, she just treated her crew like trash. I'm surprised they didn't do this sooner.
It's true. They finally found the replacement. That's what happens.
Exactly.
But you know, all I have to say for this one is thumbs down. But for Sherri, thumbs up for getting a new show. We'd love to be on. Our winner for this week is none other than the one who was featured in Bullet Train as the main antagonist, Miss Joey King.
Congratulations, Miss Joey, on your win for the She's Hot contest. You look fantastic in the movie Bullet Train.
Yes, she always rigs up nice, and she is a superb actress.
That's right.
We might have to have her in one of our next films, Dr. Ross.
Definitely.
But other than that, congratulations on your win.
Congratulations once again.
Let's get into our next hot topic.
J-Lo and Ben Affleck were at the hospital with the ambulance seen at his home. If you didn't know, his mother was rushed to the ambulance at the wedding. So, what are your thoughts on this, IK?
Ben Affleck's mother, hopefully she has a speedy recovery.
Yes.
From what I've heard, the injury was not critical, but it's still an injury nonetheless.
Yeah.
But Ben's life is in disarray. I don't think the mother was excited for this proposal and this marriage.
Sure.
And we know for sure that his kids and his ex-wife, Miss Jennifer Gardner, weren't pleased with this.
True, and they said Jennifer Gardner didn't show up, but personally I feel like, I don't know if she was invited or not. They probably didn't invite her because that'd be a little awkward with J-Lo and everything.
Right. But
his kids did not show up either.
But
so.
even if they were invited, that's no reason for you guys to go there. I commend them for not going to the wedding. Good on their part. But let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we have Brad Pitt allegedly caused $25,000 in damages to a plane during Angelina Jolie fight. So Angelina Jolie is back on it, and she has bruises all over her hand, saying that Brad Pitt caused that. I have to stop you right there. Angelina Jolie, if this happened 8 years ago, 7 years ago, how do you still have the bruises on your hand? And they look pretty fresh. We're going to put the picture right here.
Exactly.
And what are your thoughts about this, IK?
Well, Angelina Jolie, she's trying to get back at Brad in any way she can. As we all know now, Brad Pitt was in the film Bullet Train. Remember back then?
Lost City.
Yes, remember back then with the debacle where he was on the set of Lost City talking to Sandra Bullock. Well, that wasn't for dating, that was to get her into his new film, Bullet Train. And Angelina Jolie, as I recall, went crazy over that one.
Exactly.
So Angelina Jolie is making it a method to go after Brad Pitt for anything and everything he does.
Honestly, at this point, I think Angelina Jolie is, you're probably right, because we don't know Angelina Jolie's mind.
Yes.
But I feel personally like at this point, I think the only reason that she's still suing him is just to get the residual money out of him. Because there's no other reason. If it was truly out of just, she's just mad and angry at him, she wouldn't keep adding and adding more and more to the bill that he has to owe her.
That's true.
For all these
But
things that will happen.
the only thing I'm going to say about that, and I'm just going to recall this, Angelina Jolie really could make money in any sort of way she can. If she wants to get money, she could do a movie role like she did with the Turtles. And as we all recall, she was the main selling point of that film. And Maleficent, any film Angelina Jolie's in, she can get one any day of the week and just make hundreds of millions. So I personally think there's some sort of vendetta, some sort of grudge going on in the background, which has not been revealed to us yet. All of our hot topics, we have places to go and films to shoot. Now Dr. Ross has her film The Personals XYZ, among many other films, 21 at this point in time, which she is working on. She is directing, writing, and producing. But The Personals is the one that's main on her platter right now.
So if you're looking to be talent or investors, contact us at roseandgold.us@gmail.com or contact us at our Instagram. We'll put it right here.
Yes. Because Dr. Ross, she's looking for soft money investors. But not only that, Dr. Ross is looking for people to be in her film. If you think you have what it takes, send us a message at roseandgold.us@gmail.com or at our Instagram. Both links will be in the link in the description below.
Exactly.
And Dr. Ross has also written 15 children's books. One, which you can purchase right now, is just an example, is Taylor's Perfect Birthday. The links are in the description below for that one as well. It's on Amazon, eBooks, Barnes & Noble, and many other retailers. We'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. That's you, Kylie Jenner.